Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about operators in C++. I'm Shuchita Mudgal from Department of Information Technology, Kalaniketan Polytechnic College, Jabalpur. Today we are going to learn about assignment operator, the classification of operators, and today's topic is assignment operator. Hello viewers, as I told you, we are going to learn about the assignment operators. In this, we are going to learn about the arithmetical assignment operators that corresponds to all the arithmetical operations. By understanding the assignment operators, as a viewer or as a student, you will be able to gain the knowledge of performing and implementing various assignment arithmetical operators in C++ program. Now, the assignment operators in C++ store a value in the object or a variable selected by the left operand. There are arithmetical assignment operators that corresponds to all the arithmetical operators such as addition assignment operator, subtraction assignment operator, multiplication assignment operator, division assignment operator, and modulus assignment operator. The description of assignment operator are: as in figure, it is shown that there are 4 columns: operator, meaning of the operator, usage, and operator explanation. Equals to sign, it stores the value of the second operand in the object specified by the first operand. So, the second operand value is stored in first operand. Suppose A equals to B, the value of B will be stored in A. Similarly, plus equals to, it adds the value of the second operand to the value of the first operand and stores the result in the object specified by the first operand. Like as shown, it is x plus equal to y. The value of y to x and stores the result in x. Okay, so x plus y equals to x. Similarly, the multiplication operand, division, and modulus. Modulus stores the remainder in x, and subtraction stores the value subtracted and it stores in the first operand. To understand it very clearly, let's understand it by implementation of various arithmetical assignment operators in a program. So as shown, the code, that is hash include iostream.h, the preprocessor directive includes the iostream header file in your program. Starting with the main function, you are declaring 3 variables A, B, and C. You are entering the first number, that is the variable A. Then you are taking the value of the second number, that is the variable B. Now, implementing simple assignment operator. Simple assignment operator is equals to, that is C equals to B. The value of B, the second operand value, the value of the left side. As it's told here, the value of the second operand is in the object is specified to the first operand. So B value is stored in C. Now you are displaying. Cout statement is simply to display the values of the statements enclosed, whatever statements you have enclosed in the double quotes, and the value you are storing. So you are just storing the value of you're displaying the value of B and displaying the value of C, and C stores the value of B. Now implementing the shortcut addition assignment operator, that is A plus equals to B. Now the value of B will be stored in A. Next, similarly, the subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo. Now, what will be the answer? These are the code of statements, simple code of statements which are easy to understand. Coming to the output, as in the program, the above listing code, the previous code, it shows the usage and implementation of various arithmetical assignment operators in C++. So now the output of arithmetical assignment operator is, first we have taken two inputs, first number and the second number. So it will ask the user to enter. So I have entered 7 and 2. Now next it is displaying the value of B and value of C. So the value of A is taken as 7 and the value of B is taken as second number, that is it is taken as 2. So value of B is 2 and simple assignment operator, as we have seen in the code, previous code, C equals to B. So the value of C is now 2. Then result after the shortcut addition operator, that is plus equal to, it will be 9. How? The value of A is 5, as it is shown in plus equals to. You can see the previously what the table has shown. It adds the value of the second operand to the value of the first operand and stores the result in the object specified by the first operand. So the value is added at 7 plus 2, which is equals to 9, and now this value 9 is stored in A, variable A. Then after shortcut subtraction assignment operator, the value will be 7 because A is 9 and 9 minus 2, value of B is 2, so it is 7. Similarly, the multiplication operand, it is, now the value of A is, presently it is 7. Okay, so 7 into 2 is 14. Now the result of the division assignment operator, now the current value of A is 14. So 14 divided by the value of B is 2. So the answer is 7. Now coming to the last statement, code of statement, implementing shortcut modular assignment operator. So modular symbol means it stores the remainder. So now the current value of A is 7 and the B is 2. So 7 divided by 2. So the remainder is 1. So this is the output. Hope now it is clear for you what are the arithmetical assignment operators. They are very simple operators which you can use in your higher programming. When you will be coming to the classes, you're going to use the operators, you're going to use the polymorphism. At that time you can use these operators. Now remember one thing, if an operation the operator, these notes you have seen previously also when I discussed the arithmetic operator. The same note you have to remember because this is the assignment, arithmetical assignment operator. If an expression involves more than one operator, you need to implement the precedence rules to decide which operator is to be used first. So I have given you the example. Note, if an expression involves more than one operator, you need to implement the precedence rule to decide which operator is to be used first. So as it is shown, int a equals to 2 plus 3 into 4. So the precedence rule says that we have to do the multiplication first. So 3 into 4 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. Similarly, you can change the precedence of arithmetical operator by using the parenthesis. So the value inside the parenthesis operator has the highest precedence. So same above code, but the value is 2 plus 3 is inside the parenthesis. So it is 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 into 4 is 20. So the result of this code is 20. Now, whenever the integer is divided by integer, the result will be integer. Similarly, the result of float, whenever float is divided by float, and the modulo operator works only with the integer value. There will be no decimal values for that. Now, coming to the conclusion part. By understanding the concept of arithmetical assignment operators, you are now able to implement various arithmetical assignment operations in C++ program. Thank you.